Welcome back to the Hostek channel. Today we are talking about ColdFusion tips that you should be using. But before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe to the Hostek channel. And to learn more about how we can help you on your ColdFusion web hosting journey, click the link below. Tip number 1, enable debugging. By using this feature, it can be helpful for troubleshooting, identifying, and fix issues easily. Think of it like having a helpful assistant that guides you through the inner workings of your computer programs or your website. By enabling debugging, you can see detailed information about your website's execution flow, variable values, SQL queries, and query results. This can help you identify any errors or performance bottlenecks in your code. Tip number 2, use caching. Caching can be a powerful tool to enhance the performance and scalability of your ColdFusion applications. Caching means storing frequently used data or information in a special memory so that the computer can quickly access it without having to fetch it from a slower source, like a database or the internet. ColdFusion has a variety of caching tools you can use. The tools can be broken down to 2 different categories. Programmatic caching, which is a caching functionality you control within your application's codebase, and application server caching, which is managed at the server level. These particular caching tools related to how ColdFusion complies and reuses your code. Caching makes things faster and more efficient because the computer can reuse the stored data instead of doing the same work over and over again. ColdFusion offers many different tools and ways to implement these tools. There are too many to cover in this video, but let us know in the comment section below if you would like us to make caching our next video topic. Tip number 3, staying up to date on all of ColdFusion updates. Updating ColdFusion is essential to keep it running properly. Just like when you update your regular devices, it's an important step to ensure that everything works well and your website or applications remain in top shape. ColdFusion updates often come with security enhancements, bug fixes, compatibility issues, support improvements, and performance enhancements, making it vital to keep up with any new ColdFusion updates. As a leader in ColdFusion hosting, we are up to date with the latest ColdFusion news and updates, so that you never miss one. Make sure you follow us on all our social media, where we post blogs, ColdFusion, how-tos, and more to help keep you in the loop. So there you guys have it, 3 great tips to help you on your ColdFusion journey. Next time you use WordPress, don't forget to enable debugging, use caching, and make sure you are up to date on the latest ColdFusion updates. Thank you guys for watching today. And if you have any tips for ColdFusion or topic recommendations, make sure you drop them in the comment section below. And to learn more about our ColdFusion hosting, click the link below now.